This is an example of the final data set. Each record includes, in the location table, we have location ID, data extracted, brand, location name, the full address, which gets split into each of its parts in the address table. And then we have some contact info like online store link and phone, which is a good way to tell whether or not the store is active or just being set up. Coming soon store. We have a menu prices table, which is where we list all of our listed price, and the local product name, which is where we actually got it, which is mostly a testing purposes name. If we come over here to a SQL editor, we can run a SQL query, and we'll just do a join on that area I already have set up, and you can see a little bit better about what those product IDs actually correspond to. So we have Westside Pizza Aberdeen, the link it got it from, address ID, and here we have some of the listed prices. This is Personal Pizzas over here, which Aberdeen doesn't offer. So we can see some of the listed prices down below for some of these items and the text that it got it from the PDF menu that they provide online. We also have an alternate table for the menu prices. So whenever the menu scrape fails a data validation test, it gets sent here. A lot of times that's from like a franchisee mistake or something like that. There is one franchise out of Mountain Mike's that sells their dessert pizzas for $116. Obviously, it's a mistake on the part of the franchisee, where they just mistyped a 1 and did 116 instead of 115, or instead of 15.99. But my data scraper is still scraping it as if that is accurate data. So we go through and we manually change it, manually review all of those. As we can see, we get a few of those, but they get looked at pretty quickly, and we have error codes, so it's pretty easy is what we're looking for. What I'm looking for, it's just me. We have census data for every zip code in roughly 10 to 12 states, which is any state that has a Mountain Mike's or Westside Pizza in it. It'd be easy enough to get all, I think there's 30 or 40,000 zip codes in the US. It wouldn't be too big of a deal to do that. But a lot of this data is also available through visualization software such as Tableau and Power BI. So we just have the data for those 10 or 12 states that they're located in. Lastly here, I'll see if there's any other things to look at. Here's a nice join table that I can show you. Easy way that the data would be structured when running for I clicked run too quickly before it loaded my query. This would be an easy way to use the data in analytics software. We have brands, we have location names, we have zip codes and census data, which will allow us to build out maps and data and sort and all that good stuff. Do some good analytics, figure out what kind of locations each type of brand likes to put their locations into and why. Okay, thank you for watching my videos. Feel free to reach out if you'd like to discuss this project or any more in detail. Thank you.